What if I told you there's a marine behavior so playful, it feels like nature's own air show? Because some orcas actually flip seabirds just to watch them fly again. These ocean giants aren't being aggressive, they're testing currents, practicing teamwork, and sometimes they're simply having fun. When an orca lifts a gentle wave, seabirds catch the wind and shoot back into the sky like tiny gliders. Scientists think this playful habit helps orcas sharpen coordination and explore how other animals move. And honestly, it shows just how curious life in the ocean can be. So here's the lesson. The ocean isn't just a battleground. It's a giant playground where even predators enjoy harmless games. Let's keep this world protected because behaviors like this only exist if the ocean stays healthy.